Ungqongqoshe wezogesi uDokotela uGosiyenzo Ramokgopa uthi bathathe isinqumo sokubuyisa uhlelo lokucima konga ugesi kulempelasonto ngenxa yezinselele ezivelile kuziphehlimandla zikagesi okumele zilungiswe. Bese kuphele izinsuku ezingama-300 lwamiswa lolu hlelo lokucisha konga ugesi.
We will initiate load shedding. So what does that mean? It gets to be initiated because we are pulling back and replenishing all the reserves, making sure that Ankerlecha in particular, because we are tracking the diesel there, Khorikwa, less of that, we must be able to get the dam levels right, so we are not going to rely on those. So essentially we are taking out that the capacity that could be used tonight, but to say to protect the system and allow us as we start next week.
I-Eskom ithi matasa ilungisa iziphehlimandla zayo ezifile nokubeka imbangela yokubuya kohlelo lokucima konga ugesi.
We have started now with the repairs. The first unit, we are expecting it to come tomorrow. So, and we will be working over from tonight until over the weekend until mid next week to return some of these units, most of them by Monday, Tuesday.
Ungqongqoshe uRamokgopa uphinde wamukela isinqumo sesikhungo esilawula ezamandla iNERSA sokunikeza i-Eskom imvume yokunyusa intengo kagesi ngo-12.74 wamaphesenti. I-Eskom yayifake isicelo sokunyusa ugesi ngo-36% kulo nyaka.
We will work with Eskom to ensure that in the context of this new reality, they are able to meet their obligation, as the CEO has mentioned. But on the other side, we still have an obligation to cushion households, everyone, low-income household, middle to high-income household and industry. And that's why I said I welcome that decision by NERSA.
Inkampani ehlinzeka ngogesi kuleli ithi manje isibhekene nokuthi ivale igebe lemali engu-250 billion wamarandi ngemuva kokuthi NERSA inikeza imvume yokunyusa kancane intengo kagesi kunalokho ebikucelile.
On the NERSA, we have accepted as Eskom the reality. This is the reality that we've got. We are disappointed, of course, but this is our new reality.
I-Eskom ithi nethemba lokuthi luzophothulwa maduze uhlelo lokulungiswa kweziphehlimandla ezifile.